What are FBA influencer marketing tools? FBA influencer marketing tools are software platforms that help Amazon sellers collaborate with social media influencers to promote their fulfillment by Amazon FBA products. These tools make it easier to find, connect with, and manage influencers who align with your brand and audience. The goal is to increase brand awareness, boost product visibility, and drive more traffic to your Amazon listings through trusted voices and authentic content. One of the most valuable tools for this strategy is Helium 10, which helps sellers identify high-performing keywords, trending products, and the types of content that attract attention on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. By combining Helium 10's analytics with influencer campaigns, sellers can target the right audiences and measure the true impact of each collaboration on sales performance. Many successful Amazon FBA sellers use Helium 10 alongside influencer marketing to strengthen their brand presence. For instance, they track product visibility and sales growth after influencer promotions, allowing them to refine partnerships and focus on what works best. This data-driven approach ensures that every campaign delivers measurable and profitable results. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to influencer marketing insights and performance tools that help you grow your Amazon FBA brand with confidence and precision.